Hello guys, today we will learn to use this select by location tool. We have residential building footprints. We can open this attribute table and see that we have this different types of use codes which represent different types of polygons with uh, type of building, residential, etc., with other information such as floors and the year of the building, etc. We can see here there are lots of buildings. You will quite often, if you work in a cadastre agency or similar direction, you will have to face with such kind of information. And we have this chemical plume group polygons, level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4. We can see here that how the chemical plume explosion might impact the surrounding residential buildings, or how it might impact with time. Let's say that it's a mapping change through time. As you might know that in GIS, items can change in one of three ways: by change in location, change in character, or a change in value. This change might be displayed in series of maps in which viewers must form pictures in their mind of each and some comparison between them. So we're asked, let's example, imagine that we're asked to analyze what kind of buildings and how much of them will be impacted with the level from level 1 to level 4 chemical plume explosion. And let's say that if at the beginning, let's say level 1, it might be also related to time. For instance, level 1 means at the beginning of the explosion, level 4 means at the end of the explosion after several hours or several days. So we will use for that this select by location. Our target layer is footprints, building footprints, and we will use this site chemical plume groups level 1 first. And spatial selection method for target layer feature is intersect the source layer feature. See that only one building is impacted. We can zoom in. See that only one building is impacted in level 1. You can set a transparency. Sometimes you can manipulate with transparency as well. If you're familiar with this display tool, I can set transparency to transparent to 20%. Let's zoom out, and we can clear the selection and open this level 2. We can use the same thing, building footprints. Now level 2, intersect the source layer feature, click OK. So see that there are much more buildings are impacted in this case. Go to building footprints and show the selected record. See that 35 buildings in this case are impacted. We can check the same thing with level 3 right now. It's much bigger. See, it's much bigger, and therefore it's logical that more buildings will be impacted. The same target, building footprints, source layer level 3, intersect the source layer. Now we can go and check that there is more than 1000 buildings are impacted. We can, by the way, make a statistics using the summarize tool. What kind of buildings are impacted, the quantity of them. So select a field to summarize its use code, and we can click OK. Do you want to add the result table? Yes. Let's open this sum output 3. So these are the use codes. We can go, by the way, go to building footprints and check what kind of use codes. So use code 1 is more than 1000 buildings, it's majority. 2 is 44, etc. Number 4 use code is 86 buildings. We can go to symbology, categories, use code, and see what building is, what kind of buildings are that. So first is residential, number 2 is multifamily, number 3 is commercial, number 4 is industrial, and etc. So this kind of buildings can be impacted. So this is a very simple exercise how the select by location and it's this intersect the source future layer can be used to analyze the impact of chemical plume explosion to the surrounding buildings.